Good morning, bore da. Beautiful dry morning here, and we're gonna get some haylage in this morning. We're gonna use the 6125M John Deere and the F540 Micale baler, Irish, and she's bloody good. Right, we're gonna get this now baled up. It's been rowed. It's lovely dry stuff. Look at that. Beautiful. Whoa. And that's going to be feeding our animals over the winter. Right, come along with me as we get the engine rolling, spark it up, and then we've got the spool valves here. Spool valves are used to drop that. The other one's to open and close the back door. We can't do that. And then we've got like a net. Can you see that net there? So that pickup reel picks up the silage or haylage and rolls it with these big rollers into a big ball. Once we've got enough, we've got this machine here that tells us that it's full. It tells us how many bales we've done, and it makes a pinging noise. Once that pinging noise is up, I stop, I reverse a little bit. You don't need to, but I do. And then you make sure that the bales is safe. We're on a nice flat field here today in Plymouth, so there's no worries about rolling it into the main road or crashing into somebody's house. But you have to be careful. So we're going to get some baling done. First thing is, switch the PTO on. There she goes, she's turning. Put it into drive. So that's drive, clutched on there, and we're off. Once we get into the row now, we drop our, get the revs up to 540, get into the right gear. There we go. A little bit in the corner there because we drove into it. Let's get back a bit, suck it in. So it's as easy as that. Do it on the headland first. 3 runs on that. Strokes in the middle. So you'll listen to the beeps now. You can hear it on when the engine starts to lose a little bit of power. Here come the beeps, and she starts to wrap. Put a little bit of an angle there, so just a bit of a slope here. Once that's done, we come back to here where we use the spool valve to push forward, door opens, boom, bales out. Jump. Go. We're baling. Don't worry, I didn't break the camera on all the foam. I was blooming lucky. Maybe I need the cameraman.